Hello. Hi. Hey guys, I'm Scariana and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so my eyebrows are already done, as you can see. And they're growing, they're getting thicker, so I'm happy. If you want to see the brow tutorial that I did for these eyebrows, click up here or here, one of the two. For this eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Revolution because Revolution is so cheap and affordable and pigmented. I just love it. I love it. One I'm going to be using today is the Revolution's Reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette, and these are the colors. It's got beautiful bright colors, bright summery colors ready for summer. But I'm going to start off by doing my foundation. I'm going to be using the ELF Flawless Finish foundation, and I got this one in the shade Suede. I'm basically just doing a tutorial on affordable products that are very cheap. Yeah, so the palette was £4. This was £7. Oh, okay, a lot comes out in one pump. I'm also going to be using my Amazon brushes that I just recently purchased. There was 8 brushes for £5.99, and I'll just put the link below if you're interested. I just love when foundation just matches my exact complexion. Oh, that smells good. Oh wow, it smells like face cream. See, it has a really nice coverage. This one has a warm golden undertone to it, which I just love. I love my face to be golden. It's got a nice scent to it. I don't know how that would work on sensitive skin. So I'm just going to use my damp sponge to blend that out. For the price of this foundation, it reminds me of my NARS foundation. It's just not as thick. I'm now going to use, I don't know what my cat is doing. I'm going to be using ELF 16 Hour 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. I'm going to apply this to my eyelids. Ooh. And I'm going to blend that in with my sponge. So I'm just using this as my base for my eyeshadow, so my eyeshadow can stick. So using the Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette, I'm going to go in with, guess what color? Yellow. Bright as the sun. So I'm going to go in with yellow. I'm going to use this one. So it's got numbers on it, but I don't know which way it is. So I'm going to say, from looking at the back, this is number 5. So this is a darker yellow, just a touch of it. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease. I'm going to keep adding more. I would say it's not as pigmented as the other palettes that I've used, but it's still doing the job. It is really pretty though. So I'm just going to go in with some more and put some on my lid as well. Just blend that into my lid. I'm going to use the same shade for my other eye. It's weird because it's like you can actually, this is kind of, you know what I mean, it's like a natural beat. Even though it's bright yellow, it's very subtle. It's a nice cool yellow. I just love exploring with new colors. You should always just have fun with your makeup. Just try new colors out, because you never know, you might like it. So I'm going to go in with this yellow. So this one is number 4. Okay, so it's brightening these eyes up. Okay, so this yellow here is more, it comes out more orangey, or like an orangey yellow, and then this one is just a bright, very bright yellow. So I'm just packing that onto my lids. the brush I used with this colour, I'm just gonna dab a little bit of the orange on my brush, and I'm just gonna put that on top of my crease and just blending that out, just so it has more of a transitioning effect. Just literally just get a dab, because quite a lot comes on the brush, and I'm just blending that out on top. And then I'm going to go back in with yellow again. It looks like a little sunset, little tropical sunset. I'm going to be using my Morphe Jet Black gel liner. I'm going to start at the corner, just pull it up. I'm just going to be putting on my lashes that I got from eBay, and I'll leave a link for them too. So I'm going to do my concealer, and I'm going to be using e.l.f. I'm going to use my damp sponge. To contour, I'm going to use e.l.f.'s 16-hour camo concealer as well in the shade Deep Cinnamon. I always blend upwards first. It's quite dark, isn't it? And I'm going to put some on my forehead. Just it's got like a red undertone or pink undertone, and I'm going to put just a little bit on my nose. And then to set my face, I'm going to use Revolution's Luxury Powder, and I'm going to use my sponge to line that out for me. Use my brush to brush it off. So I'm not going to bronze out my face because I just feel like this concealer, the e.l.f. concealer, has done enough bronzing for me. But I'm going to go back in with my Revolution palette. I'm going to go in with this colour, and I'm just going to put that underneath on my bottom lash. For my highlighter, and the brand is called Obsession. Oh, it says Revolution Beauty London. Oh, it's by Revolution. It's in the shade Mega Honey. Oh wow, that is very pigmented. I'm gonna put some in my tear ducts. For my lips, I'm gonna use NYX lip gloss. This is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you like this pretty yellow sunset eyeshadow.